All right, guys, we are here. Sorry, but I don't know what was going on. Everything was reset. The computer reset overnight. I had to fix all that stuff. But I got the intermission screen back up, got the camera working, all that good stuff. We do have to figure out Chrome here. Hold on. Give me 2 seconds. No, that's not going to be it. No. Maybe this one. Is that the right one? I don't know. It's got a chart on it. It looks like it's the right one right now. We'll figure out whether it's right or not in a little while. Who do we have first in the chat? We got Nick F. First in the chat, man. Nick F, good morning to you. Frank Gorilla, Ken Bro, Geoped, Joseph. Joseph, what's going on, man? Been a while, Joseph. Hasn't it? We got Bender, Kenbro, Caesar, Biggable Coke. We got Biggable Coke back in here. Giovanni, Biggable. We got Giovanni, Kenbro, Biggable, Giovanni, Biggable, Caesar, Biggable, Giovanni, Biggable, Caesar, Biggable, Moji, Giovanni, Luke, Jeffrey, all of you guys. So glad to have you in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what's going on. We have got, that's not the market. We need the market. That's the market. We got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting at 4.43% higher, $4.57. AMC actually looking okay today. Instead of testing all-time lows, we're moving back higher a little bit. Shiba Inu coin, 945 points per coin. Boom, baby. GameStop, 1503. And the winner of the day, hitting fresh, recent highs, your champion, Bitcoin. Bitcoin sitting at $49,720 right now. Look at the daily, man. Oh my goodness. Dude, this strength over the last week has been phenomenal. Oh my goodness. Look, we said we were waiting for a breakout, right? I don't know if it was going to be a breakout of the upside or the downside. It was a breakout to the upside, obviously, ripping from $42,000 to $50,000. Look at this, $49,998.97. Testing resistance at $50,000 per coin. Tapping back down off of it. But look how much higher we are than these wicks. The ETF news wasn't even as strong as what we've got going on in Bitcoin right now. The ETF speculation wasn't even as strong as what we've got going on in Bitcoin right now. So Bitcoin actually looking very, very good, extremely bullish, and driving that bull market mentality. The NASDAQ looking very well today, 0.45% higher. You got GameStop, 1505, AMC, 458, Dogecoin sitting at 8.178 cents. Roulette wheels, 8.2 cent line on the screen right there. Dogecoin, about to tap through it. Shiba Inu coin, 945 points per coin. Bitcoin sitting at $49,747. The SPY, 503. SPY at $500 per share. QQQ, 438. All-time high? I think so. QQQ sitting at all-time high today. Mullen Auto, 753. Sundial, $140. Netflix, 566. Highcroft Mining, 203. MPW, 367. MPW looking very good, up 8+% today. Tesla sitting at $1.90. Amazon, 173. And Apple, $188.08. The overall market looking very, very good. Very, very strong today. And Bitcoin, man, leading the way with a 3.5% gain in Bitcoin. Dude, listen, I don't know. Everybody always wants one last buy opportunity, but who the heck cares? Let it rip up to an all-time high. Just let it rip, man. Now, please be a little cautious around March. A lot of people are calling for pullbacks in March due to dollar liquidity issues. But it's February. What are we worried about March for right now? It is February. Let's see. Maybe it may be blocked from selling, meaning another rug pull. Not sure which one we were talking about. What rug should BBC? So either it is a honeypot and DexView and CoinMarketCap didn't catch it, or something is rotten in New York City. Quite possibly, but I don't know which one we're talking about there. Let's see. Shib 3.0, trying to keep that zero off. Shib 3.0, Caesar. Let's check it out, man. On my rug pulls, I have been going to Poop Recycle and dumping them. There you go, man. Good. Get rid of all the rugs out there. Hey, both, Richard. Keeping for the bull market. Heck yeah. I put money in... Oh, Richard says, hello. I am downsizing my portfolio, and I have sand or mana. I'm going to keep just one. Oh, man. You know, I don't really know. Mana and decentralized or sand in the sandbox. Both of them kind of metaverse coins. I don't know if one's necessarily going to outperform the other. Let's actually look at... Let's see if we can pull both those charts up right now and see if there's a major difference. I would actually imagine that they're probably in a similar position here. I haven't looked at these coins in a while, so let's figure out where they're at. Decentraland, 48 cents right now. And let's look at its all-time graph. 48 cents, down about 10x from the all-time highs. And it's doing okay to maintain these support lines. Bouncing off the 29 cent major levels of support that Decentraland has seen down there. Now, as far as Sandbox goes, 48 cents, right in the exact same spot. Oh, I didn't see what's the overall market cap here? About $1 billion, about $1 billion on Sandbox as well. Let's look at the all-time chart. Now, it did have a slightly higher price point reached during the bull market of 2021 there. Nonetheless, it is still near levels of support around the same price point. Let's put it this way. If all-time high prices were reached once again, Sandbox has slightly more potential. Okay? And these are very, very, very similar projects. So, take a look at it that way if you want, but both of them are basically in the same boat. Up to you on which one you would want to keep and which one you would want to get rid of there. They drain the liquidity pool, then lock it up. Oh my god. Are you talking, Caesar, are you talking about Shib or what? I put money into Satoshi Dog. Looked legit with a pre-sale and all. Boom! Rugged everyone. Oh, jeez. Caesar, that's ridiculous, man. So Einstein's E equals MC squared is not actually the full equation. As you approach the speed of light, as such in a particular accelerator, the full equation is used. E squared equals M squared times C to the fourth plus P squared times C squared, taking into account for momentum. That just blew my hair back, dude. That just, it literally, look, it blew my hair back. That's wild. That was forward before we started the live. And Frank's discussion there just blew my hair right back. Man, almost blew my mind. I invested in a white dragon. Yes, another dragon. But it looks promising. Liquidity pool locked forever and burn tax for every transaction. Caesar, man, you want that locked liquidity pool. That's a fact. Now, why would they lock it forever, though? I don't know about that part. They could never get their money back, I guess. Metaverse plays are on lows. Maurice, that they are, man. There hasn't been a lot of metaverse talk recently. What are my thoughts on Bone and Leash? Honestly, Maurice, I'm not hugely confident in the ecosystem team. Okay? I don't like their personalities. So just taking that aside. Really don't like their personalities. But taking that aside, I'm not investing in the ecosystem team. When I talk about Shib and so on, I'm investing in the community. Millions of people who actually believe in Shiba Inu coin. I'm investing in something that has no other value than what people are willing to take it to. Now, if you are investing or if you truly believe in Satoshi, Lucy, and all of these other people out there, Da Vinci, people who put themselves in the ecosystem team, Bone and Leash, man, those would be great investments because they do have the best interest of Bone and the best interest of Leash in mind in everything that they do. All of the projects that they sign, everything that they build has Bone and Leash in mind. I don't view that way, and that doesn't mean that you can't, okay? That doesn't mean that you can't believe in the ecosystem team. It doesn't mean that you should think the same way that I do or anything like that. But I don't necessarily like them, so I don't hold any Bone or any Leash. So I would just flip a coin. There you go, Richard. Let's see what he's gonna. Hey, Richard, if you flip the coin during the live stream today, let us know which one you go with, man. Stacks is getting a lot of hype with high expectations. A layer 2 with smart contracts. Giovanni, let's check out Stacks really quick. See where we're at with that one. Stacks. STX. Is it this one? Hey, just let me know if it's this one first. This might be a layer 1. Is it this one or the other one? $3 billion market cap. That's actually a pretty big coin, man. That's a pretty big coin that's getting ready to test all-time highs. Snap, dude. 10x from where it was at the end of 2022. Not a bad gain at all on Stacks there. On my way to the RV candy store to give away some more money. Moji, man, make sure it's worth it. Tony, what's going on? I was wondering when Bone will take off again. Yeah, that's a tough one, Tony. That's a tough one. Let me see if I can pull up the chart of Bone and see if it's got a technical breakout or anything on the line there. When Flesh. We got another one for Flesh, JB. It's a layer 2. On what network? I can't even see the network down there. Keeping Sand just sent $400 or 4,000 mana tokens to Sandbox. There you go, Richard. Consolidating his portfolio, ladies and gentlemen. He kept Sand. I like it. I put money into real things. I bought another hoodie yesterday, so now I bought 4 hoodies so far. Hey, roulette wheel. You know what? I would wear the same hoodie every single day for the rest of my life if people didn't think that it was weird. But a lot of people, dude, collecting hoodies, that is something. You know what? If hoodies make you happy, buy some hoodies. Seriously, man. Seriously. If being able to wear a nice fresh hoodie every single day, changing into it, is something that makes you happy, I say do it. I really do, man. So as long as you're not going crazy or anything, clearly if you can afford hoodies and they make you happy, do it. They are real. You can wear them. You got the utility out of them. And you get a nice fresh one every day. Let's see. Shib 3.0 dumped it around September 2023. Maybe I'll get back in. Suzuki. There you go, dude. Tony wants to see Bone real quick. Let's pull up Bone, guys, and see where Bone is. All right. 62 cents. Bone hasn't been doing pretty bad over the last month. Bone, $142 million market cap. Let's look at the month here. Yeah, dipping from these lows around 54 cents. Testing resistance up here now at 62.63 cents. I don't know what would cause Bone to bounce up, okay? Maybe major transactions on Shibarium, just renewed interest in the ecosystem, all that stuff. But if Bone does break this 64 cent level, I think you can test 68 cents. If you break that 68 cent mark, I'd say, yeah, you got a decent chance of going on a rally back up here into the 80s, okay? The bad part is, I don't know when the ecosystem team is willing to burn Shiba Inu coin. They said they have to wait for the price of Bone to go back up because Bone can't handle, I don't know, $10,000 a day worth of transactions when it does $5.3 million a day in volume. Oh my gosh, dude. The ecosystem team is out of their stinking mind. The ecosystem team could easily go to Gate.io. The ecosystem team, look at the volume. Over the last 24 hours, guys, $256,000. The ecosystem team could easily use their own Shiba swap. The ecosystem team could use a portion. They could do, I don't know, $5,000 on HTX, $5,000 on OKX, $5,000 on Bone, $5,000 or $5,000 on Gate.io, $5,000 on Shiba Swap, $5,000 on Mexi, $5,000 on BitGet. They can easily go out there, swap all of the Bone that they need for Shiba Inu coin, and send it to the dead wallet. But they refuse to do so. Guys, they're sitting on $500,000. They're sitting on $500,000 and they're ignoring everybody about it. It's wild, man. So I don't know much Titanium 22 at all. No, can't find any good info. I've taken a punt on them, but they do look interesting. Moonpie. I've never even heard of them, man. Can't wear the same one every day all week. Well, you can't. I can. Clay traded on my T-pad, more than doubled my money. Traded it at 14.80 yesterday. Could have waited till 15, but I still came up winning, I think. Loading up on Ethereum. Giovanni, man. Very, very nice. Okay, sold all of it. All right, so Giovanni is out of T-pad. Let's see what he did here. Did he make a good decision? He probably made a good decision, man. Anytime you can double your money, you did very well. Ooh, yes. Ooh, yes. Getting out of the 1480 range. He could already buy back in for a nice 10% discount if he wanted to. So, doing very, very well there, Giovanni. Hey, Giovanni, if it dips back down, man, if it dips back down to that $8, you grabbing some? He's probably going to grab some. He's probably going to grab some if it dips back down to $8 there, man. Giovanni, are you done trading it, like, all together, or are you thinking about getting more? Where's Dank at? Dank. Dark. Honor. Where is this man? I don't know. He's not in here right now. Honorarium Schiller, man. Nobody knows. When summer arrives, I am going to buy some Shib t-shirts. And tank tops. And tank tops. You got to get those tank tops out there. Sun's out, guns out. Is that what they say? Buns out. Roulette wheel says, nah, man, make shorts, dude. I want the sun's out, buns out. Not the sun's out, guns out. Clay, what are your thoughts on Pepe on Solana? Dex Tools and Dex Green has it via Radium. Ray, let's look it up, man. Is it the same Pepe or is it a different one? If Kelsey would have scored that touchdown, you'd see heads explode. You probably would. Oh, Adrian, 50,000 Bitcoin today? I don't know. It tested it at 49.9. I don't know if it makes it to 50 on that rejection. I hope so, but I don't know. Hey, dead serious. Who won last night? I don't know who won. So if you guys know who won, let me know. Total Shib burn. Oh, my gosh. Nguyen. Is that how you say your name? Nguyen Long. Mr. Long. I don't know how to pronounce your name. Mr. Long. I don't even know what it was. I'll look it up here. No, I can just look it up on Shibburn and show all you guys. We'll do it that way. Alright, in case you guys missed it this morning, click on Burns on Shibburn here. 25,534 Shiba Inu coin. Burn, baby! Thank you guys very much for using that Amazon link. Seriously. None of this would be possible if you guys weren't using that link. You guys are responsible for this 25,534 Shiba Inu coin being destroyed. Now, I have added a couple free trial links down in the description of all of the videos. So if you guys are interested in burning even more Shiba Inu coin, you can sign up for like Audible. It's a $5 kickback for any. You guys don't pay anything. It's a free trial for you. And you can literally cancel it the next day if you don't want it. Or if you just want to go out, get your 2 books, and immediately cancel, you can do that. I read through all the fine print. If you have not signed up for Audible in over a year, if it's been 365 days since you've signed up, you can use it again. You can go sign up again, and you are still going to generate that $5 commission, and the full $5 commission is going to be used towards burning Shiba Inu coin. There's also Amazon Music. You know, if you guys want to use Amazon Music, it's a free trial. There's a couple free trials that I put into the descriptions of the videos that if you guys want to utilize those as well, man. I literally want to burn hundreds of millions or billions of Shiba Inu coin, and I want to do it for free. So if you guys see anything else out there that I can throw in the links or talk about in these videos to burn more Shiba Inu coin, let me know. Okay, I want to burn as much as possible. But you guys are responsible for burning 534 Shiba Inu coin this morning. So thank you very much for simply shopping on Amazon by opening that link in the description as opposed to opening Amazon through, I don't know, just the app icon or whatever you have on your phone there. So you guys are awesome, man. Spoilers. As you called them, the 59ers didn't. Aw, dang it. 59ers didn't win? The Chiefs won? For real? Originally bought T-Pad at $6 range. And so at 1480, I think I did well. You did very well, Giovanni. You did very well. There's a mystery donator waiting for the wallet to hit 2.5 thousand, then to donate the rest. Good news for honorarium holders. The USDT donation wallet for the coin market cap fee to list honorarium crossed 1,000 in the last 5 days. Nice. There's a mystery donator waiting for the wallet to hit 2.5 thousand, then donate the rest. Ooh! Dang, dude. Somebody's stepping up big on that. Kansas City won. Come on, Kansas City. What are you doing to hit 50,000 now? Ocean Cycle. Let's look. Did it? Ooh, Bitcoin. $50,000. 50,150. It attempted 49,998. Boom, couldn't break. Came back up, attempted 49.9. Boom, couldn't hit it. And then right now, ripping 50. How long has it been since Bitcoin hit $50,000 per coin? Let's look at this on the daily right here. Bitcoin absolutely soaring over the last couple of days. Guys, this is bull market territory, okay? Now, I want to say two things with this. First, a lot of CEOs of these cryptocurrency exchanges and a lot of analysts are saying that in March, things outside of the cryptocurrency world, the reverse repo, the bank rates, and interest rate decision by the Federal Reserve, those three things are likely to combine to create a dollar liquidity issue, meaning there's going to be less dollars in circulation. If that's the case, they expect a pullback in the price of Bitcoin. So please be very careful going into March. But $50,000 Bitcoin is bull market activity on Bitcoin. Okay, and we've got we'll show you a weekly chart here in a second, and it's very likely that if this continues on, we could be quickly testing all-time highs. Now, if that's the case, I don't know if this is going to turn into the immediate bull market rally or not, but if people see that Bitcoin is sort of saturated, if how much higher can Bitcoin really go, and Bitcoin is almost too safe, it's not going to generate the returns, that's when altcoin season kicks in. And then people are willing to buy more risky assets, Shiba Inu coin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, so on. And with more risky assets, the price increases are phenomenal. So be ready in case we do get a very nice bull market cycle here. This is a weekly chart. We have seen nothing but gains on Bitcoin since the beginning of 2023 here. We are all the way back up on Bitcoin, breaking past these levels that we haven't seen since 2021. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. What do we have here? Yep. We haven't seen $50,000 Bitcoin since I think 2021. In April of 2022, we had 48,224. 52,000. Man, I don't know what day it was. December 31st. Well, let's go to the daily chart just to see if it was 2021 or 2022. It's 40,000. Oh, we're way back here. All right. Bitcoin was, oh wow, December 27th of 2021 was the last time Bitcoin was above $50,000. Guys, and just prior to that, now you see that it can drop very quickly here. This is a daily chart. And from November 7th to December 2nd, 3rd, it only took, 3 weeks for Bitcoin to go from 70,000 all the way down to 40,000. So please keep that in mind. It was a very, very fast decline there. But man, oh man, I am telling you right now, Bitcoin at levels we haven't seen since 2021. We could easily break back up if we get past this 51, 52 area and be tested $57,000, $60,000 very quickly. I'm excited about Bitcoin, and this looks phenomenal here. My gosh, dude. Yeah, Bitcoin looking really strong right now. Coming back down to the chat, Clay was always anti-burn Shib YouTuber until the last few months. Yeah, roulette wheel though. I've always been, and I still am, anti-burn your own money Shiba Inu coin or anything else. Okay, and then I was looking through all the Amazon associate stuff, and I'm like, you know what, dude, this is something that people could do. Right? It's not going to be any additional money burned for me. I don't want to burn my money. I don't want you guys burning your money, but it's not, you know? Yes, I have to send it to the burn wallet, but I just don't view it as my money, right? You guys wouldn't be using that link if you guys weren't burning Shiba Inu coin. So, yeah, dude, until I found a way to burn money for free, then I've got it. Bro, take a look at PAALAI and Commune AI. A good sir, please. Bender, let's do it, man. Clay, bro, you guys gonna get hit with the snow? Oh, gosh. Biggable. I hope not, man. Maybe, though, but I hope not. Shib 3.0 looks like it's gonna pump. All right, guys, let's look at a lot of these. We got a couple of them that you guys are wanting to look at right now. Satoshi. If I was Satoshi, I wouldn't be hanging out on this channel. Instead, I'd be sailing the world in my personal yacht. That's true. It's true. The dude's made a lot of money, man. A lot of money. Next month, how low can Bitcoin go? Yeah, no kidding, dude. If it really does play out that way, that a lot of analysts are thinking, that's going to be, you're going to see a lot of thumbnails on YouTube. A lot of thumbnails saying, oh no, cryptocurrency is crashing. Oh no, Bitcoin's a scam. And fire in the backgrounds. A lot of red colors, all that stuff. It's just the way that it is, man. Suzuki! Thank you very much for the super chat. Suzuki says, woohoo! For honorarium holders and cat food. Thank you very much, Suzuki. The USDT donation wallet for CoinMarketCap fee to list honorarium cost $1,000 approximately 5 days ago. Now, a mystery donator or a donor is waiting for the wallet to hit $2,500 to donate the remaining balance. So, guys, that basically means if Dark Bro and the honorarium holders can raise $1,500 to get the current balance from $1,000 to $2,500, apparently somebody has also pledged $2,500. And if it crosses that threshold, they're going to make that donation. And CoinMarketCap, unfortunately, wants $5,000 to list honorarium on CoinMarketCap. So if Dark Bro is able to accomplish that, the entire goal is, or the entire idea, is that potentially thousands of new people will see honorarium listed, and thousands of new people will buy into honorarium once it is listed. Of course, if all of the bros sell off during that time, there's probably not going to be too much of a price increase. If all of the bros do not sell off at that time, there's probably going to be a very large price increase. So we'll have to wait and see what happens with that. But Suzuki, man, that is awesome to hear. Time to retire AMC out of the top left. JV, man, I really... Look, I think I agree to a certain extent, right? But I feel comfortable with AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen. I really do. I don't think AMC is a short squeeze move anymore. I think Adam Aron has completely destroyed retail investors. I think Adam Aron has destroyed hopes of a lot of people. And I think Adam Aron is an absolute snake. But what would we replace it with, man? AMC's got a spot right here. And I don't even know what we would replace it with. Oh, gosh, what was it? What was Bior Therapeutics before it turned? Prague? Was it Prague? Is that a thing? What was Bior Therapeutics before it became Bior Therapeutics? No, I forget what the ticker even was. Do you prefer holding dry powder in USDT? Yeah, Maurice, man, that's actually where I've got a lot of That's actually where I got a lot of my current holdings. Dude, Bitcoin is going to 51, man. Bitcoin going to 51 right now. We got to keep an eye on that in the bottom left-hand side of the screen. 955 on Shiba Inu coin. Guys, things are looking great right now. We got to keep our eyes on this. The cryptocurrency market is ripping. We don't talk about Prague. I forgot if that was the name of it, man. I really did. Possible donor is my black card that Pika is using. Where is Pika, man? Dead serious. Where's Pika? If TIA goes down to 1680, I will buy more. I will look at it in a minute, Pudgy, but I want to watch Bitcoin here. What is Celestia currently at? 15 friggin' LF. Let's go, man. Fruits in Vegas. Fruits in Vegas. I had to make sure that I wasn't reading. I had to make sure that name wasn't Fruits in Vegas. I was like, what is going on with your guys' screen names now? Fruits in Vegas, like fruits and vegetables. I was like, this dude is... These guys are wild, man. Nothing but green, 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 green. Green on the screen, man. Bitcoin and Shiba Inu coin on a roll. So someone going to sell out honorarium to donate? Yeah. Moji, probably. Somebody's probably going to go in there and let the price of honorarium come up a little bit and then jump off when it rips up. Bitcoin will test 51.7. You know what, Peter? That's actually a possibility, man. Just looking at this screen right here, 51. Where in the world is the rest of the chart, dude? Bitcoin came out before October of 2023. So rest of my stinking chart here. Yeah. So Peter, it can test that area right in there where you're talking about. Now, since we're breaking above these levels, I am going to raise a line to where Peter's talking. The real resistance is going to kind of come at 50,700, okay? The upper end of these candles, or maybe even slightly lower right here, testing these candles back here as well. We wicked above, wicked above, wicked above, wicked above, and that's on a weekly chart. So we could have a couple days pass up above this level right here. But look, this line, 50,000, guys, we're there right now. Look at this. We're testing that level right now. Now the wicks above that level bring you up to about this area right here, exactly where Peter just said, $51,700. Resistance, 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 resistance for 4 weeks straight back in December, actually the entire month of December of 2021. So, yeah, Peter, you're on with the wicks there at 51.7. The candle bodies taking it where we're at right now at 50,000. So, keep both those levels in mind. Guys, dead serious, if 51.7 is broken, look where we could be going. Boom, 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 back here, boom, boom, boom. 55, 60, wicking back up to $70,000. So, yeah, Bitcoin, very, very exciting price action right now. Very exciting times. Bitcoin throwing nothing but green lines on the chart. Man, and Shiba Inu coin ripping up to 960 points per coin. Very strong there. We're going to watch Bitcoin and Shiba Inu coin play out for a little while right here. Clay, check out Rain W-Matic. Rain Matic. Celestia's at 1982. Oh my gosh. All-time low. AMC, all-time low. All-time low market cap. I like it there, Frank. All-time low market cap on AMC. To the dumpster until they clear debt and pay a dividend again, right? Pika usually swings by at least once a week, even when she is busy. Maybe something bad has happened to her. You know what? I don't want to assume the worst, Roulette. Okay, I just want to assume that maybe Pika needed to take some sort of a break. Pika needed to get away for a little while. Maybe she thought she was spending too much time and getting consumed by all of the activity and whatever with Discord and YouTube and being in live streams and all that. So maybe she's just taking some sort of a break. I don't want to assume the worst or assume something bad happened, right? One of my friends died in a freaking hunting accident. Gun went off and struck his... Oh my gosh, dude. Roulette wheel recently? Holy smokes, man. Hopefully you guys... His family's okay, man. That's wild. Ethereum's on one, too. Let's check it out, Richard. We got a little bit of a curl over on Bitcoin right here. Ethereum, $2,600. Curling back over a little bit. Shiba Inu coin curling back over a little bit. Dogecoin. Dogecoin's not really wanting to curl back over too much here. But yes, dude, the cryptocurrency world is looking very good right now. I need XRP to get done with all of this court stuff. It needs that off their back. It really does. She's good. I talked to her. Okay, good. Pudgy. Good. At least she's okay, man. That's good news. She can take as long of a break as she wants or any of that stuff. I'm just glad nothing happened. NTC? I think you might have typed an N instead of a... or NTC. What is NTC at 50? Let's see where we're at here. Let's look at a couple of these coins real quick as Bitcoin is pulling back a little bit. NTC. National... NTC 50. I don't know what we're looking at NTC 50 there. Not National Treasure Coin because that price is not tracked right there. Shib 3.0. I think Caesar wanted to look at Shib 3.0. Maybe it's this one. I don't think it's this one. Is there... Maybe this one. Shib 3.0. Well, I don't know if this looks like it's getting ready to pump or not, or if that's the coin that he's looking at there. But it's a very low market cap. $5,000 market cap. So, Caesar, not exactly sure which Shib 3.0 you are talking about right there. What were some of the other ones, guys? What were some of the other ones that you guys wanted to see? Scrolling back up. Shib 3.0. Caesar. Yeah, I don't know if Caesar's still in here or not. Pal AI. All right. 15% gain in Pal AI today. Not bad at all. $157 million market cap. Dang, dude. Doubling in price on the week. That's not bad at all. Annual chart looks very good. Looks like it's been out since June of 2023 here. Wow, dude. Going from 1 stinking cent. Even lower. Holy smokes. Look at the all-time low here, dude. 4 zeros and a 4. Dude, burning through all 4 of those zeros. What is that? Double in price, 3 zeros. 1000x gets you to... 2000x gets you to 1 to 10 cents, right? 2000x, I think, gets you to 10 cents. Is that a 4,000x gain? Is that a 4,000x gain? All right. We'll look up Miria, and we'll also look up Smog. See where Smog's at. I think Smog was pulling back a little bit. So let's look up. All right, Bitcoin and Shiba Inu coin still pulling back a little bit there. Let's look up Miria real quick. And my IR... I think it was this one. All right, this looks like it could be something here. Miria's sitting in a $93 million market cap right now. Up 1% on the day, going from 0085 to 0092 right now. Not bad there. A beautiful 20% gain on the week. Looking pretty good on the month, up 14%. On the year, here's your graph, man. Going from 001 to 009, over 10xing, 14xing to get to these levels here since the lows between July and August. An all-time graph, man. All-time graph looking great. Dude, man, if this one ever comes back down here, I might be interested in buying some of that. But I don't know if we're ever going to see these prices again until the next bear market. Guys, if Bitcoin's going to be maintaining $50,000 levels, if Bitcoin's going to be maintaining nice runs like this, it just might be unreasonable to think that we're going to come back down in price to the lows that we saw during the bear market. So if you're expecting something like Miria to fall back down to those levels there, you're pretty much going to have to wait until the next bear market cycle. So watch out on it. 999 quadrillion supply. Oh my gosh, dude. Wow. Good morning, bros and Clay. It's been a long time. Anthony, it's been too long, man. But I do remember your what is that football team there picture. So Anthony, I'm glad to have you in here right now, and don't stay gone so long. Where is Smog at? Smog was pulling back yesterday, so let's see what it's doing today. Oh, Smog pulling back big time there. Dude, Smog pulling back pretty heavy. If this, if this one pulls back, I didn't even know I was just moving that. Yeah, if this one pulls back even lower, Smog ran up to 8-9 cents. Because this has such a strong marketing push behind it, dude, if this bad boy drops back down, I am definitely going to be buying more. I did get in at the 1.9 cent area. I sold a little bit back as it fell down through 7 cents. As it was coming back down a little bit, it was like 6 something that I got a little bit of, that I sold a little bit at. And now it's on its way back down, 2.7 cents at the moment. Small could be setting itself up for another very nice buying opportunity. Just kind of fading off of the original major rally that it had there. So, yeah, Small looks like it could be turning back for a good one. It won't, Clay. But, yeah, next bear, maybe. Yeah, Bender, that's what I'm talking about, dude. I don't think it's going to be touching those levels again for a very long time. They can't make money on it, really, Jason. But if they make a new coin, or 3, they can make lots of money on that, Jason. I wouldn't be surprised. The Shibarian developer team does not hold Shiba Inu coin. If they did, they, too, would want to burn Shib. Yeah, Jason. I actually agree with Honorarium Schiller on that. I think that's one of the reasons they've created all of the coins that they have created is because, those are coins that they can control, and those are coins that they can make their money off of. They did not create Shib. They did not, as far as I know, they do not own any Shib. And, they built up around Shiba Inu coin. It was a smart idea. Right? It was a smart idea, and somehow they convinced millions of people that they are like the creators and the owners of Shiba Inu coin. It's very strange, man. Hey Clay, Molders is on pre-sale right now. Have you heard about this coin? And is it any good? What do you think about it? Thanks. I've not heard about Molars, man. Molars, like dollars. I've not heard about it, so I don't know anything about it. I don't know if I can look it up or not. Must be this one here. So no, I have not seen anything about this. They got a decent rewards program, I know that. Centralized exchanges, 20 groundwork. I don't know what the groundwork is, man. They just paying themselves 56% of the pre-sale. I don't know what groundwork is for. But, hey man, $629,000 raised. That's a lot of money to be raising. Seems as though it's going to launch on May 1st, right? All right. May 1st or the hard cap is reached. I guess they've reached 35% of the total sale. So, no, man, I don't really know what Maulers is or anything. Obviously, we can look him up a little bit more if you guys want to. But another pre-sale right there. Baby Trump is up 150%. Ah, crap. I don't know if I was supposed to say that word. YouTube, forgive me. Let's see, I promise. I promise I won't. Just been really busy. Finally moving out of Alaska. Man, Anthony. Well, I guess just... Where are you moving from Alaska? That's a long way away. Are you just coming down to the continental U.S.? What do we got going on here? Technically, yeah, I don't think Alaska is continental U.S. It's still attached to North America. It's still attached to the continent, right? It's not like Hawaii. But, yeah, regardless of that. Are you moving to Canada? What's going on, dude? Let's see. I want to welcome Suzuki to the world of bot trading and making those profits. Very nice. Kimber, heck yeah. Waiting for Ethereum to drop high fees a bit and then create a trading bot for Ethereum. Suzuki, very nice, man. Let's see. Ethereum still climbing. I really believe they will have an ETF before the Bitcoin halving. Giovanni, if they do, I don't know, man. If they do, you might see some sort of a pullback like you saw in Bitcoin after the Bitcoin announcement. Dang, Ethereum is still climbing right now. But yeah, dude, an ETF is only going to bring more money in to these cryptocurrencies long term. So an Ethereum ETF would be huge news. And Bitcoin back up above the $50,000 threshold right here after crossing back down to 49.8. And of course, it's not 49.988. So Bitcoin, man, testing that $50,000 left and right now. CONUS. It doesn't include Alaska. All right. I believe that's the continental U.S. Doesn't include Alaska. Frank, thank you very much for confirming that, because I was still slightly confused when I made that statement, because I started thinking about it, and theoretically it is attached to the same continent. So yeah, that was the only place my mind went with that one. I want to go back up a little bit. I saw you guys looking at some other ones. Clever, should address his... Can I copy it? This one! Alright, 8 days ago. I don't know why this one didn't pop up there. Okay. Yeah, now this one. Caesar, Bigable. You guys looking at Shib 3.0 right here. This one does, on the daily chart, look like it can break out or get ready for a pump. Why? It's only a $492,000 market cap, but it's hitting all-time highs. Okay, your resistance level. Let's see if we can look at it on an hourly. Maybe we got a pretty strong level of resistance. It's getting ready to break out here. All right, so if you look at it on the hourly chart, you can see that it tested this area right here, couldn't break. Tested roughly the same area right here, couldn't break. Tested it, couldn't break. Testing it right now. If it does break this horizontal line, of course, then you can see a breakout and a pump or a run much, much higher than the current levels. But every time that it has, okay, it's resulted in some pretty big selling. So this was a huge sale here that brought the price from 14 zeros and a 1-3. Dang, man. To 16 zeros and a 9. Holy smokes, man. This coin is moving, dude. This coin is moving. And then, of course, more people coming in, buying, bouncing it back up to here. And here it sits at 14 zeros and a 115. You know what? I think it was it this one? I want to see where this one's at. Alright, back down. Yeah, back down. Now, this is actually an interesting one that I may be tempted to grab a little bit of. It is very strong support here. There's two lines of support here. Okay? You got the support there and the support down here. Now, this is interesting, man. I don't know. I haven't looked at this one in like a month, but I remember this one ripping back up way back here. And this one, I may had a little Solana Shib. I saw these guys very active on Twitter back when it was rallying right here. And, of course, everything died out since then. But, yeah, these guys, they could be one that gets added there. That's another Shib one. If you get, you guys can't see anything that I looked at on anything here, dude. How stinking dumb, man. All right, Solana Shib. Yeah. I can't see what you're looking at. Ken, bro, man, I'm so sorry. I'll pull up the other Shib in a second here. Hello, everybody. Peeps, playing with your boys PTO today. Might have to call it earlier than expected. Oh, what's going on, Chris? Glad to have you, man. The heck is going on with Lunk? Biggable! Well, where's Terra Luna Classic at? Terra Luna Classic was just at 11,500 points per coin a minute ago. But guys, Solana Shib, okay? Solana Shib is down pretty heavy from where it was last month, 2 months ago. It was ripping up to 6 zeros and a 13, currently at 8 zeros and a 9. Okay, so that's dropping 2 zeros to get to these levels right here. Please keep that in mind. And it's at a very low $800,000 market cap considering where it was back then. The last one that we were looking at was the Shiba 3.0, and Shiba 3.0 on an hourly chart. Okay, you can see it a little bit better here. This is a resistance level. Tapped it, didn't really get a confirmation on the breakout. Tapped it, couldn't break. Tapped it, couldn't break. Tapping it right now. Question is, can it break or no? If it breaks, yeah, it could absolutely pump, go on a nice little run, especially knowing that the market cap's only $500,000. The problem is, every time it has reached these levels, boom, huge sale. Huge sale. Not that big of a sale right now, but every time, man, when you're going from 14 zeros and a 1 back down to these levels, 15 zeros and a 1, that's a 90% decline in an hour. This is 14 zeros and a 1 to, it's an 80% decline in a couple hours here. So this is a very dangerous level. If it does drop back down, I mean, based on the chart, dude, if it drops back down anywhere in this area, you could be getting in and potentially 10xing your money. So keep that in mind. Just watch it and make your guys' best informed decisions on what you want to do with any of these tiny little coins. XAI token. Kiali'i. Yes, man. XAI, let's look. D's. Oh, yes. Mo, that's who I was thinking about the other day when somebody sent a peach and I was asking where he was. D's, man. I don't know where D's is. I don't know where D's is. D's is a person. So if you're thinking that I don't know how to speak, D's is the screen name of a person who frequently came into the chat. Let's see where XAI is. XAI is up 1%, 3%, 4% on the day today to $1.08 at the moment. $298 million market cap. Where are we on the week? Looking very good, up 36%. XAI up 90% on the month. Holy moly, dude. 60 cents to $1.10. Doing very well on, well, it hasn't even been out that long. It's only been out since January 9th, so we've been out for about a month here. Wow, dude. XAI looking very good to go from lows around 46 cents to highs. Hit highs at $1.20 here. Getting ready to retest $1.20 again. XAI on the Arbitrum network is looking very good. Arbitrum. It's a little hard to say. Arbitrum network looking very good there. Rest in peace, Chubbs. I forget everybody we got now. Are you talking about Chubbs from Happy Gilmore? Are we talking about somebody else now? I read my comment back. I bought in close to the all-time low with Shiba 3.0. Ooh. Caesar, man. Very nice. I don't think the coming altcoin rally will last past mid-March. I'm taking profit on Solana and Avalanche skyrocket. Old rounder, dude. A lot of people, a lot of these analysts and a lot of these CEOs are on the same page as you. They do not believe that this rally is going to continue on through March. They think a major pullback is coming in March. And if a major pullback comes in March, man, you know, you could be picking up some very, very nice prices on Bitcoin, Shib, Doge, Ethereum, literally across the board, man. Solana. Let's see where Solana's at today. I don't even know. Ooh, $110 on Solana. Solana looking very good at that $110 mark. And, yeah, if you're getting in, or getting out, I should say, on that little bit of a rally right there, you're testing the weekly resistance levels at the 110. And you're testing the monthly resistance levels. Although Solana, I believe, did come up and test 120. Yeah, okay, it was back here. Solana came up and tested $120 in December there. Pulled back a little bit. And it looks like it could be either double topping or getting ready to break out, man. And if it breaks out, Boom, dude. Watch, keep your eyes out for that $250 mark on Solana there. Looking very strong. How about Sam the Man? I haven't seen Sam the Man in a very long time either, dude. What is going on? Where's everybody at? If you have any questions about Robin, I'm frequently in the Telegram VC answering questions too, bros. Hey, Jacob. Very nice, man. And a Bree guy, no Moss attend. Yeah, 775 Bree guy. He changed his name though. I think that's dropped internet now. I think 775 Bree guy has dropped internet. Bros first. No toast. Well, you might be first there. No toast. I don't know if nobody else counts. You're definitely first. About 12 trillion Shib 3.0 already made $3 in 5 minutes. Biggable Coke, man. Very nice, dude. $3 in 5 minutes. That's actually really good. Maybe you should just take your profit and move on, dude. Profit's profit. Do you see potential head and shoulders on the Shib on 1 week? Maurice, let's check out the 1 week. On the weekly graph, or are you talking about just over the last week? Let's see what we got here. Let's just check out a 7-day chart here, because I'm not exactly sure if you mean that. I don't know. If you're talking about right here, head and shoulders, if this level was a little lower, and you had a head right here, and this level that we were reaching was a little lower, yes, but I don't necessarily see a head and shoulders on here. Unless, of course, you're talking this could be forming even longer term, and this would be a shoulder. And then, of course, over the next week or so, we make a nice head up here, and then start another shoulder. Let me see if you're talking. Let me see if I can see one on the Weeble actual weekly chart. Now, I don't necessarily see one on this weekly chart for Shiba Inu coin either. Dang, dude. Dude, when Shib ripped back here, it ripped back here. That is wild. Where's that action now, man? Where's that action now? You know what? On the daily, dude, I don't know if Shiba Inu coin can't make it back up here, you know, this could be a shoulder. You got the head right here, and then a very long daily shoulder coming back down to that 700 point per coin range. That could be, you know, that could be a shoulder, big head, shoulder coming here. Yeah, that could be a head and shoulder pattern. But, dude, you honestly, when you're looking at technical analysis patterns like that, you can honestly find any pattern that you want to find if you look hard enough. You can make a pattern on the chart too. So what I was just doing may have been a little bit biased, looking for a head and shoulders pattern. I need $10 or more to break even with gas fees and all. Biggable Coke, man. Make it happen, dude. Floki is up. It did rip. Very nice. 1 o'clock. Have a great read. Oh my gosh, dude. How is it already 1 o'clock? Well, you guys know what time it is then. Make sure to get your names in the chat right now. We'll do a couple shout-outs, and then we will be back this afternoon. I do hope that all of you guys enjoy your lunch. Make sure that you're watching Bitcoin, because who knows, man. We could be all the way up to $70,000 per Bitcoin by the time you guys get back from lunch. Shiba Inu coin looking very good with a nice green candle on the screen right there. Also, don't forget, guys, I got a bunch of links in the description of the videos. We did very well. We burned I looked at 72 people in here. We burned 25 million Shiba Inu coin this morning. I want to burn 25 billion Shiba Inu coin. So share that Amazon link with everybody you know. Also, I added free trials for Audible, Amazon Music, Amazon Prime, stuff like that into the links of the videos or the descriptions of the videos. You guys can literally sign up for the Audible free trial, get your two books, right? And then cancel the next day if you want to cancel the next day. And you're eligible if you have not used Audible within the last 365 days. So make sure to sign up for that. It generates $5. $5 is sent to the Burn wallet. So, BNB, here is your $10. A roulette wheel. Thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate it, man. Dang it, I didn't even buy Shib 3.0, and I got $10 right there. Roulette wheel, man. Thank you very much for that super chat. Guys, we're going to do these shout-outs, and we will be back this afternoon. Make sure you guys give Roulette Wheel a shout-out on the way out. Frank, man, have a great afternoon. Maurice, see you later. Big Able Coke, see you later. Whoop, see you later. Pudgy, absolutely, man. Big Able Coke, see you. We got Geopad, Big Able Coke, Johnny Quest, Maurice, Bender, peace out to you. Kiali, Luke hasn't been moving much lately. No, it has not, dude. Warner, peace out to you. Anthony, enjoy your day. Challenge channel, glad to have you back, man. Roulette Wheel, thank you very much for the $10 super chat. Absolutely appreciate it, man. Giovanni, have a great one. Richard, Kenbro, Maurice, Gorilla Invictus, Suzuki, Tony O, Robert or Roberto, man. See you later. Old Rounder, Gorilla, Kiali'i, we got Moji. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.